everyone, I am Kelly Schaffner. Welcome to my channel. If you are returning, thank you so much for supporting my channel. And if you are visiting me for the first time, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button, tap the bell so you can be notified every single time I do a video. I really would like to visit with you again. I do unboxings of mostly style services, clothing boxes, online shopping, and clothing hauls, things like that. So if you enjoy those types of videos, you've come to the right place. Today, I have a Trendsend, and I'm real excited about this Trendsend. Normally, I don't leave my stylist any instructions or any requests, but it is my husband's birthday, and I said, yeah, I have a special event coming up. It's my husband's birthday, and I'd kind of like an outfit to go out in. But that's all the requests I made. So I'm curious to see what they sent for a date night with my husband. So if you're not familiar with Trendsend, it is a style service, but it is not a subscription company. It costs you $0. I love it. You just fill out a style profile and request a box, and they will send you a box with 3 outfits in it, curated by a stylist. You try it on at home, you decide what you want to keep, and send the rest back. You're charged for what you want to keep. With Trendsend, you can request sale items, and I always do that, and I'm always pleased when they include that in my box. So let's open this one up and see what we got. Oh, what's this? There's actually a personal note. It says, "Hi Kelly, I added some styling suggestions to your letter. From Robin." I've never received anything like that from Trendsend before. They always send a note telling you how to style the 3 outfits, and then the prices, which I will look at later. But that's kind of cool that there's that personal note. Number 1, it says, "Mama, you're doing fine." This is a top by Sanctuary. Oh, this is light and breezy. It's a high-low, you can see that. It buttons up, and this is really a pretty floral. It does have a kind of a opening in the back. Can you see that? My windows are open so you can see how flowy it is, and it's got the flutter sleeves there. So this looks like a really nice option. Have, ooh, Articles of Society, some jeans here. And, okay, these are distressed, which I'm not real crazy about the distressing, but it looks like they are lightly distressed. They're actual holes, which I'm not real crazy about, but I love this raw hem, and I like that it's uneven. So, you know, I've been trying this type of hem, and I haven't purchased any, but I really like the looks of them, so that's exciting. Then the next one says, "Everyone has gold inside." That's a scary thought. Okay, first up we have a simple white camisole. So this is by beloved Elijah. Elijah's guarding my house. He's growling in the background. And then we have a dress by Allison Joy. Oh, I wonder if the camisole needs to go under this. Now it might be really low cut because it was included with this dress. And that looks to be midi length. It's got an elastic around the waistband and a kind of a faux wrap. It is tacked right here. So this looks interesting. It's kind of a rusty red color, I think. So red is my favorite. That looks nice. It says, "Loved like a mom." First up, this is beautiful. I like these colors. This is Allison Joy. Okay, but it's long sleeve, 3/4 sleeve top. It's pretty thin. Looks to be a high-low. We've got kind of a lace-up detail in the front, but I am enjoying this pattern. I don't know. I don't know about that. Just because of the sleeve length. Then, oh my goodness, we have a white denim cut from the cloth, a white denim jacket. You know what? I have a white denim jacket that I ordered. I haven't opened it up. I want to open it on camera. I might have to do that so I can compare this one to that one. because I have been searching for a white denim jacket. This is the first one that's been sent to me. It's like they're reading my mind. And next we have a, gosh, I can't read this. This is the brand. What is that? I don't know, but this is an interesting top. Look at that detail in the back. Very, very cool. And so it's a straight top, again, a high-low, feels like cotton with a V-neck in the front. This looks like so much fun. That's a gray, dark gray stripe. That looks awesome. And then last we have 7 for All Mankind. So I know these are expensive. These are the ankle skinny. There's no distressing, but we have the step hem, which I just told you. I've been looking for these. And this is a wash that I just purchased. The mother jeans from Lion and Post. It looks very, very similar, but I'm excited to try these on. Let's get cracking. Let's start with the Sanctuary top. I really like the print. It's nice, real lightweight. You can't see through it. That part is very nice, but these armholes are a little large. It just seems a little bit large. I like this neckline, the way it's cut and then it buttons, but there's some gapping there. Although there's plenty of room, there just seems to be a little bit of gapping. See how you can... So I think that perhaps a smaller size might fit better, but I'm worried that a smaller size might not fit my hips. But this is a really nice, easy to wear blouse. This is $78. So for $78, I would need it to fit perfectly. All right, next up is the Articles of Society jeans, and these have that uneven frayed hem and the distressing, and I'm not minding the distressing at all. In fact, I like that it is uneven. I think that's kind of cool. These have working pockets in the front, and even that coin pocket is distressed. So that's kind of cool. I'll show you the back of them. So this is what they look like, and they feel amazing. If you have not tried Articles of Society, I highly recommend them. These jeans feel really nice on. My stylist in her note recommended that I put together this outfit with some sandals to wear to a barbecue. And I think this is a great outfit for a barbecue. Next up is this Allison Joy dress. And so one of the things I like about it is on sale. It is marked down in red, $44.99. I am wearing the camisole underneath, and that is what she suggested. She said, just in case it is too low cut. It's not too low cut. I would not have to wear the cami, but it's really, again, the armholes are really large, and I don't know if my bra would show through there, but I don't like that white. That looks like a white bra showing through on my... Anyway, we have this wrap detail, and it's tacked right here, this waistline with the elastic, and then there's the wrap, and we do have an underlying slip there. So that feels pretty secure. She suggested this as the birthday outfit, as like, this is the sexy outfit. I don't know. I think I own sexier than this. So this is what it looks like. I just don't know if this is the most flattering cut for me or color. This just is really not doing anything for me. The camisole is $28. It's a nice quality camisole. It goes down really, really low. I'm sure I could wear it up higher, but it would be bunched up. $28 for the camisole. I think I can live without that. Tell me what you think about this dress. Is that sexy? I don't know. This is the Allison Joy, and I love these colors. I like the print. I don't know if it's the best fit though. Okay, here's that lace detail in the front, and I normally don't like that very much. This isn't bothering me too much, but it's probably because it just blends in, but So this is what it looks like. I'm not real crazy about the sleeve length for a summer top. It is very, very lightweight. This is probably a rayon, I'm guessing, and it just, I don't know if I would actually wear it through the summer. Spring and fall, perhaps. This blouse is $78. So if I can't wear it right now for $78, I just don't know about that. Next up is the denim jacket. This is cut from the cloth. This is $89. This feels amazing. So this is what it looks like all the way down, which I do wear mine all the way down, but I like the option of being able to roll it, so that's what it looks like. There's plenty of room. There's some distressing, where do we have distressing? There's some distressing there, and it's the shorter hemline, but this is a finished seam. It looks like, so it's not going to become further unraveled. There are no pockets. I wish there were pockets in this. I actually use pockets in my jacket, but wow. This is really nice. It's $89. That's typical for cut from the cloth, and it's not on sale. The jeans, on the other hand, these jeans, these are the 7 for All Mankind. In the stylist note, she said, I sent you these jeans because they're on sale. Right on, Robin. Thank you so much for listening to that. These jeans are $99. They're regularly $159, $160. So here's what they look like. They have that funky hemline. Can you see it? I find it to be interesting. I think when this trend is no longer trendy, you can just do a roll on them. So even for an expensive pair of denims, I think these could stay in my closet for a long, long time. Again, these have the working pockets in the front. They have the coin pocket and the pockets in the back, and these feel amazing. $99 for 7 for All Mankind. Yes. Okay, this is the last top. This is by Chaser. I read the stylist note to find out what this brand is. This is Chaser, and this is just a tunic length tee. I like the sleeve length. It's kind of a deep V, but it's not bothering me. It's not too deep, but we have this really cool detail in the back. And, you know, the length kind of concerns me. It feels like it's a little clingy around my derriere, so... but I like this top. This is $58, and I think it's worth every penny of $58. The stylist note from Trendsend is very detailed, and I just want to read the top part of it to you. It says, "Hi Kelly, happy Trendsend Day. Fun, colorful, and summery. I read through your profile and requests and saw that this is what you were looking for, so I kept that in mind as I was putting together your outfits today. You'll see that many of the pieces can be mixed and matched to create other outfits as well. As always, leave us feedback on what you liked and didn't like and why. This helps us better style you for your next box." And I have to say, I did give some requests and feedback before this box was sent, and I think this is one of the best Trendsend boxes I have received. So, lesson learned. I need to communicate with my stylist. I'm just so torn there, whether to give the stylist explicit instructions of what I'm looking for or to let them do their thing. But with Trendsend, I feel like I received a better box when I was able to add more input. So as always, there's a return mailer. Postage is free both ways with Trendsend, and I will be using that mailer. I cannot keep everything in this box. So I shared the prices with you. Trendsend has the price tags on all of their clothing. But I will tell you, someone, actually, several people have used my referral link. Thank you, ladies. Thank you so very much. What happens when you use a referral link of someone with Trendsend, that person receives a 20% discount. So I have a 20% discount with this box. And in return, if you use my referral link, then you will have a referral link so that you can offer that to your friends, and then you can get a discount. So this box has suddenly become even more affordable. So let's go over the prices real quick. The 7 for All Mankind jeans are still on my body. They were marked down to $99 and I can get them for $79.99. Score. Thank you so much, ladies, because I really like these jeans and that is just a phenomenal price for these jeans. So it's, thank you. Thank you very much. And next we have the Allison Joy dress. This was $44.99. It's marked down to $35.99. I don't like it. I like the price tag, but this dress just doesn't do anything for me. So I think I'll be sending this dress back. And next we have the Allison Joy Cobalt blouse, and I like it a lot. I just don't think I'm going to get a whole lot of use out of it during this hot summer months. And this is marked down to $62.40. And I think that's still a little expensive for something I am not going to wear right now. Then we have the Articles of Society jeans. These were regularly $68. They are marked down to $54.20. I'm keeping them. Again, thank you, ladies. The beloved cami in white. This is really a high quality cami. It feels very nice. I already have a white cami very similar to this, so I won't be purchasing it. It was $28. It's marked down to $22.40. So that's a steal. Okay, then we have, okay, the chaser shirt, the one that I'm wearing right now. It was $58. It's marked down to $46.40. I like it. A little bit concerned about the clinginess. The tunic length don't always look so good on me, so I'll be waiting for your comments. You let me know whether this chaser, the detail in the back, is cute enough to keep for $46.40. And then we have, okay, the cut from the cloth white denim jacket. This is an amazing jacket. I really like it. It is marked down to $71.20. It was regularly $89. So that's a score. I would love to pick this up. I have another jacket from NYDJ and I have not opened it up yet. I am going to film that hopefully today and get that up very soon so you girls can help me to decide which jacket I should keep because I really like this one. The last thing we have is this, the floral top by Sanctuary, and this is marked down to $63.20. And I just don't think it fit well enough. I like the print. I think it's beautiful. It certainly is season appropriate for me. I'm not crazy about the fit on this one. So I am definitely keeping both of the denims. I'm keeping the Articles of Society, the 7 for All Mankind, and possibly this tee. I can't wait to hear your comments about this Trendsend that I received. Be on the lookout for my Amazon haul, which includes a white denim jacket, so I can do a comparison between this cut from the cloth and that Not Your Daughter's jeans jacket. I thank you so much for joining me once again for another unboxing. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so before you leave. Give this video a thumbs up. It sure helps a girl out, and I love you for it. Until we meet again, blessings.